Welcome to Balaji Education YouTube channel. In this video we are going to see how to solve questions regarding paper cutting and folding topic. Definitely you will get the clear idea when you see all questions regarding this. Before going to see the questions, let's roll the intro. This video, let us see the first question. The first question is given like this. Like, choose a figure which would most closely resemble the unfold form of figure Z. So when we unfold this figure Z, we need to find which is that. The starting figure is given like X. It is folded like this, like from here to here it is folded. Now in the figure Y, this paper is folded again from the bottom like this, you can see. Now this is the Z. Here he made the cuts, you can see here he made the cuts. So the tip is here, so you need to follow the tip. The tip is like last fold will be first unfold. You need to remember this. The last fold will be first unfold. So means here the last folded is this one, the figure Y. So when we unfold means the cut will present here also. Now the figure Y is completed, so we have unfolded the figure Y. Now let us unfold the figure X. The figure X is folded like this, means we need to unfold in the opposite manner. In the opposite manner we need to unfold. So means here the holes will, here the cut will present. So this will be in the option 3. You can see this will be in the option 3 now. So this, now let us move to second question of this video. The second question, he taken a paper like this, you can see in the figure P. So he made the folds like this. So here you can see he made the folds like this. Later the folds are present in this manner in the X, you can see the folds are present in this manner. Later by the half he is going to turn like this. Now in the figure Y you can see he again making the fold like this. So what our trick is, like last fold will be first unfold, this we need to follow. So here he made the cuts here, means first we need to unfold the Y. First we need to unfold the Y. So if we unfold, here the cut will present, later the cut will present to here. Now the Y is unfolded. Now let us unfold the X. So the figure X is turned here. So if we unfold in this manner, like we need to unfold in this manner, so means the cuts will present. So first let us draw for here, and this will be like the cuts are present like this. Now let us unfold the, so we are unfolded the X, and let us unfold the figure P. When we unfold this, like this will be like this. Now we should unfold this manner. So when we unfold, here we present only the hole here. So if it is a box, means it will present here. So it is a not box now, only the hole is present here. So if we unfold means here the like here the cut will present. So if it is a box means here it will present. So here there is a no box means, so this will be like this, you can see. So this is the unfold figure of the folds. So which is in the option, you can see here the 4 are present, but we need only 2, so we will not get the holes here. So this is in the not in the option 2, not in the option 1. Here in the option 3, so here the holes here not present, so this is in the option 3, not in the 4. So this, so we can find the answer to question. Question given like he is folding from here in the figure X, you can see he is folding like this, and later he is folding like this. In the Y, in the Z, he is made the cut like this. So first unfold the last fold. So when we unfold in this manner, like here, so this will be something like this, you can see something like this. And let us unfold. So we have unfold the Y. Now let us unfold the X. So unfolding of X like this now. So means here curve, and this will be continued like this. Now let us see for the options. In the option, so there is no presence of these lines. So it is in the opposite direction and unfold also in the opposite direction and the presence of lines. So it is a not our option. Now let us move for the option 2. So yes, here this also present. Sorry for this. This will be also present. Be also present. So in the option 2 it is the correct one, and in the option 3 not the extremely top, not the extremely top na. So this will be not, and this is also not. So this is how we can find the answer to this question of this video. In the next question you can see in the figure X, here you can see is folded like this manner, and later from the half he again folded, so he made cuts here. Now let us unfold the figure Y, because last fold we need to unfold first na. So means the triangle present here and the curve present here. Later let us unfold the X. We have unfolded the Y na. Now let us unfold the X. So in the X it is like this na, like this manner. So let us unfold in this manner. So if we unfold this, like it is a reverse triangle, it is also a reverse triangle, and the curve here and the curve here. Now let us unfold here. So it is like the water triangle, you can say water triangle, and the water triangle and curve. So which is in the option. So here you can see in the first it is the opposite of curve, so not in the one. And here you can see this is following the same, this is the following correct one, and this is also following correct one. So in the option 2, see here in the option 3 it is a reverse na, you can see. So not in the C, not in the 3, and here you can see it is the opposite, it is the not correct one. So in the 4th it is a not. So our option is 2. Now let us move to the next question. In the next question you can see the figure X, it is a folded like this, you can see, and in the figure Y it is again folded like this, and in the figure Z you can see it made the cuts like this. So let us unfold the figure Y. When we unfold, the cuts will present here. So the cuts will present here. So means it will come the triangle here, and so we have unfolded the figure Y. Now let us unfold the figure X. So when we unfold this, so it is like this na. We need to unfold in this manner. So when we unfold here, the two circles will be present. So now let us see for the options. In the option A, so here the one row is missing, you can see from this, so not in the 1. So from the 2 you can see here the 4 and here the 4, yes, and two triangles, yes, this is the option 2. Here there is no presence of triangles na, not in the 3. There is no presence of triangles here, so not in the 4. So this is our option 2. So this is all about the topic paper cutting and folding. If you learnt anything in the video, please do a like and support by subscribing. If your friends are preparing for the competitive exams, please share my videos. Thank you for watching.